I'm Robin Clevitt and today I'm going to show you a self-drilling, low-torque construction screw from ForgeFast and later on a quick tip using this screw. ForgeFast has a complete range of elite performance screws. The ForgeFast self-drilling, low-torque construction screw has all the benefits of the self-drilling thread and the Elementec 2000 corrosion protection system. It's a heavy-duty 8-gauge screw for exterior woodwork and construction projects. The low-profile wafer head gives you maximum retaining power and lies flush with the timber. And the size is stamped on the head for easy inspection. The exceptional strength comes from a hardened case and core. The sharp point for faster bite enables you to even get through steel, which is 0.8 mm thick. It even has molecular lubrication, which helps reduce friction and torque. It's CE approved for use in load-bearing timber construction, and it's available in a range of sizes, starting at 140 mm right through to 360 mm. If you're fixing timber sleepers to something, it is just brilliant. So my tip to you for using these construction screws is if you're fixing large timbers together like this, even really hard, dry, glue laminated softwood like this, it eliminates the need for a pilot hole, a long bolt, a nut and a spanner. It saves a lot of time, but moreover, they are super strong and you never have a bad result with them. So that was the self-drilling, low-torque construction screw from ForgeFast and a little tip to make your life easier. So for more tips and to see the rest of the Elite range, follow the link on screen, and thank you for watching.